Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and I kind of just finished watching the Samsung Unpacked event, and they went on and announced a lot of product. Now, this is what you actually need to know that they unveiled on this specific event. So they started firstly on unveiling their Galaxy Fold device. This is the first of its kind, first of its generation device, which will come with a foldable display as they have been teasing for years now. Now this device will come in a 512 storage and will be packing a whooping 12 gigabytes of RAM. Now that is a lot of RAM for a device. That's actually going to the computer territory. Now this device also will be coming with 6 cameras. Yes, I said it well. It's going to come with 6 cameras, 3 at the back, 1 in front, and 2 are going to be inside of the device. Now this device will come in a couple of colors. They will be coming in black, they'll come in gold, they'll come in green, and they will also come in blue. Now one thing that I also spoke about is how you can seamlessly interchange between the folded phone. Let's say you are viewing the maps which are actually showcase on the event itself. Let's say if you're viewing a map while the phone is closed, as soon as you open the phone in a tablet mode, you will be able actually to see the same map but on a bigger screen. Now the screens will go from a 4.6 inch screen to a whooping 7.3 inch screen. I really can't wait to see this actual device. Now they also went and announced their S line of phone. Now one thing that is new about this lines of phone, they are now going to be releasing 3 of them. One will be the budget phone, which I'm thinking is going to be rivaling with the iPhone XR, and that phone will come in a 5.8 inch configuration, flat screen, will have a 3100 milliamp battery, will have 1 camera in front, and will have 2 cameras at the back, one being wide and the other one being the telephoto camera. Now this phone will come with the side fingerprint scanner on the power button, but on the other 2 devices, which is namely the S10 and the S10 Plus, you will be having the first of its kind, again, ultrasonic fingerprint reader, which will be obviously in-screen fingerprint reader like we've been seeing in most of the devices that have been coming out lately. This device is also, the 3 of them, this being the S10e, the S10 and the S10 Plus, will be coming with their also new of its kind what I call the hole punch display, but they calling it the Infinity O display, where the camera is placed inside the actual screen. Now the S10 will come in a 6.1 inch display, which is the Infinity O display. Will have a 3400 milliamp battery and will have 3 cameras at the back, 3 cameras at the back, just like the folding phone that they unveiled. Now they will have the ultra wide camera. This is the camera at the back. You have the ultra wide camera, you'll have the wide camera, and you have the telephoto camera, as well as 1 camera in front. Now the Galaxy S10 Plus will have similar features, but will come in a 4100 milliamp battery, will have a dual front camera, and will have other perks that you'll find on the S10, which is the ultrasonic fingerprint reader. And also these devices will come with capability of you charging another device behind them. I don't know if that feature is really something that you guys are looking forward to, but I am looking forward to be able to charging other devices behind other phones. Actually, there's already a phone out there that does that. I just forgot what it is, but these are mainly what has been announced in this event. Other devices that are also announced includes the Galaxy Bud, which is a competitor to Apple's AirPod. They announced the Galaxy Watch Active and the Galaxy Fit for the sports lover. Now let me know if you actually watched the event, which devices are you actually looking forward to. But I am looking forward to actually the Galaxy Fold, which is going to be costing around $2,000 there in the US. Now I can already imagine how expensive that device is going to be this side. But I'm really looking forward to playing around with that device. Not that I'm going to buy it, but yeah, I'm looking forward to playing around with that device. Now, this is gonna be it for this video. Let's take this to the comments. Let me know what you think of the event itself and the products that were announced in this event. And if you didn't watch it, make sure you go watch it after you watch this video so we can get chatting down in the comments. Now, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and you subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.